Good day guys and welcome to another video. I'm really excited about this one. We're heading down Portland with fteh. You see them in the back there? Oh, it's so dark. So we left very early this morning, darkness, so they're now kind of waking back up. They slept on the way down. And we just passed Ocho Rios, heading to Portland. So I'll give you guys updates on the journey along the way. Awesome. Just passing through the little town of Oracabessa, so we're well on our way. Alright, we're in Port Maria. Past Annotto Bay, continuing. So as you guys saw in the video, we are in Portland. Now it's pretty huge. We still have a way to go before we reach Port Antonio and stuff, so we're just continuing the journey. Yovan is still sleeping. Traffic in Buff Bay, but you know, it's given us the opportunity to see the old houses, old architecture and whatnot here. It's pretty cool. Jamaica. Woo! Fantastico. On the outskirts of Port Antonio, we're here by Juicy Party. Girls are getting something to eat because it's been a long drive. We've been driving for a little over 4 hours from Montgeo Bay, but we made it. Take a look. It's really nice, but look at the view. It's not cool. Our Airbnb is way further. We have to drive for over an hour or more to get to it, because it's on the Long Bay side, which you know is pretty far. But it's pretty early in the morning, it's not even 10 yet, and the check-in time is 3, so we have some time to kill. Alright, so we're continuing. We just passed through Port Antonio and we're continuing the trip in Portland. Look. Hey. There's a geese out there. That? Something wrong.
Why do you want this?
Why it's so still?
It's so slow.
It's freaking out!
Because the waves so far.
So we've been driving past, we passed Port Antonio as I said, and just past Trident Hotel, and the road is a bit bad because they're fixing it, so you know we have to take our time and slow us down a little bit. Arrived at our B&B for the night. It's this little room in this area in colors. It's really nice. It's still under development. I'll take you guys on a little tour tomorrow morning, but right now we're just going to relax. I didn't really film a lot after Port Antonio because they're fixing the road. It's really bad, so I was to concentrate on driving properly and that kind of thing. So maybe I'll capture it over the time that we're here. But so far we're good, we're safe. And we're gonna tuck in for the night, alright? It's the next morning. That's the room we stayed in there, and that's the ocean. If you look behind us, we're hearing a little bit of thunder and whatnot, but blue skies on this side, so we're hoping it gets better. This property is really, really nice. It's still under construction, as you can see, but there's a tree house that overlooks the ocean. We're going to check it out and we're going to eat breakfast there. Check how nice this property is. Hibiscus. These are the original cabins. the apartment we're staying in. That's new to the property. And as I said, they're still building it out. This is the tree house. We're gonna head up. What do you guys think? Here we are on the treehouse deck. Ocean behind us, really nice view. We're just gonna settle in and eat something. Seen it, right? We're still in the Portland side and we're going to Reach Falls. We had a little bit of rain, but we're going still. I am so excited. We already made the turn off of the main road for Reach Falls and I'm driving in. Alright, we're here at Reach Falls and as you can see the weather has changed. So we're heading down. We were told at any point in time they might close off the falls because it might get dangerous with the amount of water, so we're heading down to check it out. Alright, we're heading down. It's raining actually. Storm in Portland. We went Reach Falls. We got to bathe in it a little bit and whatnot, but we didn't get to do the cave tour or anything like that because the rain and lightning started coming down and it got a bit scared. But yeah, you have to be on the safe side. So now we're heading to Boston Bay to get some jerk for lunch and we'll see how the beach is there. You guys okay? Yeah. Past Boston Beach and we're pulling up to the famous Boston Jerk. I don't know why I end up on this side of the road. Yeah, Boston Jerk. The road is so bad because they're fixing it. Take a look. Alright, so we're here in the famous Boston Jerk getting something to eat. So everybody here is eating. Excellent thing. Real thing. So this is a pimento wood underneath it?
Pimento wood, yeah man. Pimento wood.
Sorry about that, eh?
Pimento wood and sweetwood.
Okay. We saw the guys jerking there. We just ordered. We'll go back and eat. But these guys are getting some smoothies here. So yeah, that's it. Fish going to put right here? We're going to put that right there to cook?
The fish, yeah.
In Boston jerk, as I said. And we're starting to get our food. It looks really, really good. So we have the jerk chicken festival. I have some roast sweet potato, and I buy some corn soup. And the hot jerk sauce. So we just ate a lot of food. And we buy enough for later. Now we're going to look for a beach. So after Boston Jerk, we're just getting back to the B&B and we're stopping off to get some scenery. Look how rough, whoa, look how rough things are because of, you can see the wind and everything because of the storm. Look at the mountains behind me, see the mist on it and everything. So yeah, we're in Portland and we're experiencing a storm. I think most of it has passed, but it's cool to see the power of the water and everything. But the water is still blue. Let's check it out, man. Bay along the cliffs and we're seeing the effect of the wind. Really rough. Alright guys, so as you can see we're back in the car. It is the next day now, you know, so we spent 2 nights in Portland, but it had a lot of rain and whatnot because it had a little storm passing underneath the island and it brought down a lot of rain. So the plans changed a little bit and we're well on our way back to Montgeo Bay this morning. We're a little bit outside of Ocho Rios, a little bit before Oracabessa, and we're just taking our time and heading down the road. As you can see, rain is falling, but it's been a nice drive so far. We're very much enjoying it. So yeah, plans changed a little bit this weekend from all the different things we wanted to do, but it was still enjoyable to go Portland and see the place and whatnot.